These are all expenses associated with the constitution of the mortgage. The banks obviously oblige most of the customers to actually pay for these expenses. So we're looking at expenses such as notary costs, we're looking at valuation of the property, property management expenses, and so on. Well, if you have a mortgage in Spain, chances are that you do have mortgage incorporation expenses one way or the other. Now, these expenses were introduced to pretty much every single mortgage loan in Spain. If you've paid mortgage incorporation expenses, you can claim and get all your money back as long as it hasn't passed more than 4 years since you finished paying your mortgage. Some of the fees you can claim back are notary fees, property valuation fees, registration fees, among others. Depends on your case. Every claim we have at Legalbono is different. Now, once we win, the bank will give you back the full mortgage incorporation expenses. Now, let's take this as an example. If you have a mortgage of 150,000 euros, you could potentially claim back around 3,000 euros approximately. Time will depend on the specific case too. We have to consider the banking entity and of course the courts of residence in which you have the property. Now, the average time for a single claim could take between 9 months to 18 months. Although not any claim has 100% chance of success, mortgage incorporation expenses is one most of the times. However, remember that we are operating on a no-win, no-fee basis, which means that if we don't win, you don't pay. We will need some of these documents: the notary invoices, the property registration invoices, and very, very importantly, we'll also need your mortgage deed, among other documents. Yes, there could be other possible abusive clauses in your mortgage. In fact, you could even claim for the commission the bank charged you just for setting up the mortgage in the first place. But don't worry, when claiming with Legalbono, our expert team will thoroughly review and study your claim and look for any other possible legal claims that you may have.